Man of God, welcome the bishop. Welcome our Shaizanka. Agonelisa. Bishop and Nhlapo.
Jesus, thank you, Lord. While we are standing once again, just put your hands together and give God a praise. Just open your mouth and give God a praise. Worship Him tonight. Glorify Him tonight. Magnify Him tonight. Exalt Him tonight. He is worthy to receive honor. He is worthy to receive praise. He deserves all the best. He is the King of Kings. He is the mighty God. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He is Jehovah El Shaddai. He is Jehovah Shalom. He is Jehovah Nisi. He is Jehovah Mekadesh. The Lord who sanctifies and makes holy. Just make a joyful noise unto the Lord and celebrate. In the name of Jesus. Celebrate in the name of Jesus. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you. Yes, you are. You are Alpha. Yes. We worship you, my Lord. Yes, you are. You are Alpha. Yes. We worship you. Yes, you are. You are Alpha. Yes. We worship you, my Lord. Yes, you are. You are Alpha. Yes. We worship you. Yes, you are. We give you all the we worship you, my Lord. Yes, you are. We give you we worship you, my Lord. Yes, you are worthy. Sigunigaro, Loki, Sia, Wenu Fanelwe, Sigunigaro, Loki, Sia, Wenu Fanelwe. Jehovah, He is your name. Jehovah is. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah. Jehovah is. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah. Jehovah is mighty warrior. Yes, great. Jehovah, Lord. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior. Yes, great. Jehovah, Lord. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior. Yes, great. Great in battle. Jehovah, Lord. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior. Orobo shakalamasi. Orobo koshiandalamasi. Yes, Jehovah. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior. Yes, great. Yes, Jehovah. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior. Yes, great. Yes, Jehovah. Give Jesus a big hand of praise in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of
Jesus.
I say power in the name of
Jesus.
healing in the name of
Jesus.
deliverance in the name of
Jesus.
shout Jesus.
Jesus.
Shout Jesus.
Jesus.
Power. Fire.
Fire.
Just welcome your neighbor with a big smile tonight and say, Mark, well done for coming. You have come at the right place at the right time. Just say to your neighbor, you are blessed to sit next to me because I'm a blessing. Just give yourself a big hand in the name of Jesus. Something good is about to happen in your life tonight. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hallelujah.
Just say to your neighbor, tonight is my night. Tonight is my night.
Look at the other neighbor and say,
after tonight, your life will never be the same. We serve a living God. We serve a mighty God. We serve a great God. Omniscient God. Omnipotent God. Omnipresent God. There is none and there will be none like him. He is Jehovah El Shaddai. Give God a big hand in the name of Jesus. Overflow.
Those of the overflow, we salute you in the name of Jesus. We greet you in the mighty name of Jesus. Out there we are with you. We greet you in the name above all names.
To everyone who is watching us all over the world through your television,
GNF TV,
GNF TV,
1KZN TV,
1KZN TV,
Dumisa TV.
Dumisa TV.
I greet you in the wonderful name,
The
the name above every name, the name of Jesus, the name of Jesus, the name of Jesus.